Hello everyone and welcome to this course for corporate community boosters using the method OSG. Since the digital age, online communities have flourished and shown the world how much link, content and opportunities it can generate. In line with digital, agile or other cultural transformation, modern corporations also want to leverage the strength of this social way of working for their business and human development. Among all the ways to build communities, the OSG method is meant to develop knowledge sharing in organization by providing mindset, tools, rules, and tips in a consistent way and ready-to-use format. The current course is meant to understand the underlying challenges that corporate community boosters usually face, no matter the method, before delving more precisely into OSG methods, concepts, basics, and practice. So we start with this part on understanding the challenges before applying the method. Why? For reasons. First, the OSG method is based on accumulated knowledge and experience and in real life practicing of community boosting. And it's very important to understand the source of the information before adopting any method. Especially if one is to learn the OSG method, one must understand all the challenges it addresses. It is better to understand the challenges and know afterwards what to choose and what to discard from the OSG method than just reproducing the OSG method without knowing the field and knowing the groundwork. So when you use the OSG method, always use it relatively to real life problems and real objectives you have. Don't reproduce the method just for the sake of reproducing the method. This is the best way for you to select, improve, and complete the approach of the OSG method. How to use and read this document. So this document and this video is tailored for training sessions in small groups, and you will have two kinds of key content in this course, which are the use cases that you will find in the orange slide. The use cases allow you to connect a theoretical point of view or a conceptual point of view or some new ways or some new models. It allows you to connect these models to a real use case, a real situation. So it's very important to make it real. And you have blue slides, which are meant for discussions among you learners. It is very important for you to go through the blue slides, even if it looks like you slow down in your learning, because exchanging words and exchanging and discussing about a topic allows you to anchor the knowledge within and not just read and possibly forget after. So if you have to find or if you have to decide a learning strategy about this course, it is better to go slow and do all the discussions and identify all the use case than to go fast and try to view all the concept that you will forget a short moment after if you don't anchor it to the reality. So let's start with corporate community boosters challenges. So first, and very usual story is corporate community booster saying, I don't know where to start. There's so many topics, and indeed there are. So let's get a 360 overview of corporate community boosters expectations, and challenges. So first, as a community booster, you work with a sponsor who tells you you have to create transversal involvement in topics of your community faster than the usual way they are treated through corporate processes. On the other side, you have the non-sponsoring hierarchy, especially those who manage the people who are going to be members of your community. So on this side, they will tell you that members must be requested on this activity for a valuable reason, and you have to show projection and results of your community actions because you do it in a corporation. In the middle, you have top management asking you to nurture unity, link, global vision, to integrate your community with existing structures and existing efforts so that you don't waste redoing something that already exists in the corporation. And then you have the members, or first the potential members. So for potential members, you must learn to promote, you must know who they are and try to get them in your community without spamming them and without just getting anyone. You just have to get people who fit. New members, you have to help them on board, and they have to understand very quickly what is interesting for them in the community and how they can contribute. Then you will end up having probably some non-active members, and for them they just want content, and you have to provide interesting content and events for them who are just consumers of your community and not contributors. Also, on the other side, you have active members. Active members will probably have a lot of ideas, a lot of variety of ideas for your community and also beyond your community, and you also have to help them. And you, as a corporate community booster, you are in the middle, and what you can provide is content on one side and value, so valuable events or valuable things or promotion of value on the other side. So this is why most community boosters tell, okay, I don't know where to start, because there are many things and aspects to target, and this is what we will go through in this course. So first discussion, do you agree with the list of stakeholders? Who are the other stakeholders for corporate community boosters? And what other expectations do you regard as important? Take a few minutes to discuss.